Hey guys, it's Marcus. I've been waiting to do this video for a while. Just wanted to say one thing before I start the video. Excuse my tiredness. Yeah, it's haven't really gotten that sleep and it's been pretty hard. I did lose my house, but yeah, I just wanted to say that. And yeah, so forgive me for my tea bags and everything. Alright, let's start the video. This video was inspired off of a picture that my friend took. A really good picture. It really isn't, I don't know, something about it. It's just perfect, and I was really inspired to paint it. So I did try, and you guys can tell me what you think. Did I fail? Did I not fail? For me, it's the practice that's important because I got to do the line work and practice it. This is the first time I ever really did that kind of painting with the grass and everything. So I think it's good to get practice in, and yeah, so I was just really inspired off of that, and you guys let me know at the end of the video if you liked it or not. I just thought I should post it because I didn't have anything else to post this week.
They don't want to hear your mumbling and jumbling, Marcus.
What'd you say? No one was paying attention to you. I want to do this right now with my spare time with these guys.
Okay, fine. I was just trying to give advice.
You do not have to be in here.
I was just saying that's not what I would put on my channel, so if you want to show them something, just put the speed video inside. Don't, you need to not show your face.
Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you at the end. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. And share this with your friends. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, yeah? Never give up on your dreams. Keep smiling, and I'll see you guys next time. I also want to let you guys know that I do have some really cool video ideas coming out. Yeah, so if you guys stay tuned for that, that'd be great. And we almost reached 100 subscribers, guys. That means quite a lot to me. So please keep giving my videos the support, and keep commenting and liking and sharing. I love you guys so much, and yeah, take care.